Step 1. Remove the door panel. Using a screwdriver, remove the clip behind the window crank. Remove the screw behind the door lock facade. To remove the door armrest, gently pry off the screw cover to expose the screw. In addition, remove the 2 screws from the lower portion of the armrest. Using your screwdriver, gently pry off the speaker panel. Insert a screwdriver and gently pry the door panel away from the door frame. Gently peel away the vapor barrier. Step 2. Mount the actuator. Use the bracket to mount the actuator parallel to the factory door lock rod. Don't forget, be sure to mount the actuator on a 20-degree angle to the door opening. Be certain that the actuator rod is parallel to the lock rod. Step 3. Attach adapter rod with adjustable clamp. Once the rods are both positioned correctly, secure them with the adjustable clamp. Step 4. Plug in color-coded wire harness. Attach the enclosed wire harness and run the wires out of the door using the factory rubber tube to hide the wires within the door jamb. Step 5. Plug in the central locking control box. Step 6. Connect the red wire running from the wire harness to any constant 12-volt power source. Attach the black wire to any ground. A constant 12 volts may be found on your ignition wire harness. Final steps. Test your newly installed system Reinstall the door panels. Using cable ties, mount the control box and wire loom to the vehicle. Be certain to avoid all moving parts. For product updates, frequently asked questions, and accessories, stop by our website at www.autoloc.com or feel free to call our technical support line at area code 503-693-1918.